Welcome to my channel. If you are new, please subscribe this channel for interesting and informative videos. This is one of the best channels which enhance your English speaking skills. So don't waste time and join us in this positive learning environment. Let's move towards our today's video. First sentence is she is looking towards the car. She is looking towards the car. This period is boring. This period is boring. Bring the attendance register. Bring the attendance register. We are not going anywhere. We are not going anywhere. Stop staring him. Stop staring him. The homework is very easy. The homework is very easy. Which period is going on? Which period is going on? Get up early in the morning. Get up early in the morning. Come inside and sit here. Come inside and sit here. Beware you may fall asleep. Beware you may fall asleep. I forgot my lunch box at home. I forgot my lunch box at home. I come to school by bus. I come to school by bus. What is your favorite subject? What is your favorite subject? I am writing an essay. I am writing an essay. Please give me a piece of paper. Please give me a piece of paper. She is disturbing me. She is disturbing me. I have hung your shirt here. I have hung your shirt here. Fill in the blanks properly. Fill in the blanks properly. We have to write all the answers. We have to write all the answers. Do you want to be successful? Do you want to be successful? Stop irritating him. Stop irritating him. Don't make noise. Don't make noise. Stop talking in the classroom. Stop talking in the classroom. That's all for today. That's all for today. Thanks for watching this video and supporting me. If you like this video, so please don't forget to hit the button like and share.